Man, y'all made Coach proud today. Plus, we got to celebrate. What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, as always, I got a jam packed video, so please keep it locked. Please make sure you like, subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. My. You guys made me extremely proud today. I'm going to get right into it. One of them, I'm kicking it off with Loving on the Family. Guys, listen, I got a play on today that I taught you guys about in yesterday's live. All right, we're going to cover it momentarily, but check this out. Jonathan, if you see this, Coach want to say major salute. But if y'all see Jonathan, go catch him and love on him. Listen to this. 100-day en route to 100K. $100 in a day en route to 100K. Jonathan Tees, he said, "Dear Coach, this month I officially passed the 10K mark." Hey, clap it up. Clap it up. I love celebrating you guys' milestones. Your first $1,000, your first 5,000, your first 10K, your first 25K, 50K. Listen, guys, these things are just stepping stones to show you what's possible. I often say, man, if you give people the power to feed you, you give people the power to starve you. But if you learn what I teach you every day, you will see firsthand how you can dictate your future. He said, beyond that, I had multiple trades that has crossed the $100 in profit. I love this. He's developing consistency. And more importantly, I'm learning the skill to hit that consistently. I love to hear that. Your plays, especially Lyft, Woof, TSLL, and Uber, help me build confidence, manage my risk, and stay in winning positions longer. I've also learned what it means to not be greedy. Several plays kept running even after I took profit. That's the story of my life. But the bigger win is knowing my capital is intact. Yes, indeed. Guys, there's days I humbly show you 10K in a day, 30K in a day, 100K in a day. But some of those plays went way beyond that. When you hit your target, learn to be content. That's what he's talking about in this, okay? He said, I've also learned that did not have any regrets. Okay, I like that. I had to do the same. He said, by locking in on my horses, I've developed a repeatable process. I chart my levels, I wait for disciplined entries, and use stop limits to secure gains. Profits roll into STHD inside my Roth IRA where dividends get automatically reinvested. Guys, read this twice. This is how it's done. This is how you build real wealth. This is how you invest properly while trading lateral to your investing. This is the holistic will approach that I have tried to implement, show you, and teach you. Jonathan has did it spot on to a T. I couldn't be more proud, man. I want to say major salute, okay? Now listen, everybody go check out ticker symbol IREN, okay? Yesterday in our live, for my vampires, I was telling you, I told you several plays that was going to pop. Go look and see how we did, okay? Go look and see how we did on the call outs for yesterday. But more importantly, I called this play out. And you guys always ask me, like, Coach, I need a play that's going to pop. I need something. What should I be on the lookout for? Okay, now this one, again, up 14% today. It's up another 5.5% in after hours, okay? I want to say major salute for anybody. If you made money with this, let me know down in the comments below. If you made money with Wolf, Lyft, TSLL, APLD, let me know down in the comments below, okay? But again, guys, the market is reaching some levels that I want to make sure you are protecting your capital, okay? I want to make sure you're protecting your gains and you're not getting too overzealous and setting yourself up for the rug pull, all right? Now, what else I got? BitMine, ticker symbol BMNR. I've been pounding the table on this since about $30 or $40. Today, I want to teach you the power of rinse and repeat, okay? Look at this. This is back to $62. It is up 11% today. Guys, I keep telling you, this is up next, okay? You got to make sure you listen and follow these videos, okay? I want to see you win because coach want to celebrate. I want to turn up based off of your success, okay? So that's what I'm looking for when I give you these plays, when I tell you about these things and these assets that you should be having, if nothing else, at least a short-term trade to make you some money. Okay, I can help you clean up your portfolio, invest it the right way so that that's working on your behalf. But you at least need to be learning how to make small amounts. I want you guys to make consistently $100 a day up to $400 a day. That's the first level with me that you got to master, especially on the 100K challenge. After we get our Roth IRA set up, after we get our high yield savings account set up, after we get all of our affairs in order and we get our business buttoned up properly, this is the type of stuff I want you to do. Now look at this. Look at my BMNR. Coach has 320. This is a rinse and repeat. This is why I be trying to tell you guys, okay? Rinse and repeat your way to 100K. Everybody write this down. Rinse and repeat your way to 100K. Look at this. When this was $30, I would start telling you guys about this because I missed it when it was 20. And I said this is going to 60. And I said it's going to 100. Let's go back here. Where are we at? Do everybody see 60? Price target hit. But look at this. When you buy and you dollar cost average and you rinse and repeat. Every time it came down to 30. It went up to 63. I was up 100%, I think, the first time. It came back down. This is why I say don't chase, okay? Look at this. Coach average cost is 32.04. Okay. It is up a total return of 95%. Okay. So all I'm going to do, so from here, it's probably going to pull back again because the market needs to pull back. Okay. Understand that for me. It needs to pull back because the market will pull back. But on the next go round, now that we know we can get to 62, 65, we know when it come back down to 32.04. Look at my average cost, okay? Well, next time it come back to 35, 37, 43, we know when it go back up, it's going to 62, 65. But what did coach tell you the next target is after we hit 60? 60 opens the door for $100. So now I can either lock in some profit and make $10,000 here, or I can add to my position. It's called averaging up, okay? Averaging up. And so that I can have even more shares when this hits my next target of $100, okay? These are just high-level moves you can make in the market, okay? Let me know what your average cost is in BMNR. You need this, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. That's your three fund crypto portfolio. BMNR, Ethereum, Bitcoin, okay? That's your 3 fund Bitcoin / crypto portfolio. That's all you need, okay? Ethereum is up next. This is up now, okay? Mark, again, guys, follow this, okay? And let me know if you're making money or have made money with BMNR. Let me know what your average cost is. Look at my cost one last time. You guys got to beat the teacher, okay? Beat the teacher means you got to make sure when you look at your play, if my average cost is 32.04, yours need to be 31.98, 30.50. You guys get what I'm saying? 29.27, 29.82. You get what I'm trying to say? Beat the teacher. I already know where the play is going. I'm the one call these out. I do the research. I do the technical breakdown. I already know where these plays are headed. I need you to get it at a good price so that I ensure that you get 95% on our plays, okay? And then last but not least, look at this. We got to turn up. We got to turn up because I told you that Uber was going to hit 100. I told you I don't care nothing about 99 and all that stuff. It got to close at 100. And guess what we did today, guys? We closed at $100, okay? So now we got a new support, okay? Now it might be weak starting off, but the fact that they got there and closed there, that's going to eventually become the new floor. So 100 going to be our new floor level. So what I tell you next, we're going to go like to 104, 108, 112, 120. Now, I'm gonna probably get out at 120. Just a heads up, okay? I'm a coach gonna get out. I respect my targets. It might go to 150, okay? But at 120, I'm up out of there, okay? That's a little high. That's a little overextended. I know how these things go. Wall Street like to pull the rug on stocks like this, and they'll come all the way back down to $60, okay? And guess what? Coach will be waiting and ready at $60, okay? I want to say major salute, man. I couldn't be more proud. I want to teach you this stuff in real time, show you the process. I want to always kind of reveal when our levels are hit so that you can see, like, damn, coach was right. He called these things out well in advance. This was a $20 stock. Uber used to be $20, guys. Uber went from 20 to 40, stood there for forever, and then went from 40 to 68. And when it got to 68, I kept saying, this is going to $100, okay? And boom, we got to 99 a whole bunch of times, but finally we closed at 100. I told you, it don't matter just getting to 99. We had to close, and today we finally did that. 102 is the high, and so again, look for that to be resistance to knock it back down to 100 to 99. And then again, once we finally get to and through that level securely, 100 gonna be the new support. So therefore, we can always bounce off 100 and go higher. Listen, guys, I'm gonna get you up out of here. Everybody be in the Discord first thing in the morning. Shout out to everybody on the money team, whether you did any of the three of our plays to the upside today. Coach want to say major salute. Be in the Discord first thing in the morning. Everybody else, listen, man. We make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.